Good morning, everyone. This is Srikant Rajan, and welcome back to the Stock Market Podcast from MPIinvest.com. Coming to stock market, the last week was a complete bearish week. In fact, the fall started after the Adani Group news came in, wherein the research company called Hindenburg had actually accused Adani Group of manipulation in the financial records, and also stating that the company's over leverage, which could actually make the stock fall, and that they also revealed that they have already short positions on the Adani stocks. In fact, for such a news, and if they had all those short positions, I'm sure they must be sitting with already a good profit for the last week. The way the Adani Group stocks have fallen for more than 20% each one of them, definitely they have made a killing in the market. So that part is over. That is one part. Now, of course, one thing we could see was the major selling by FIAs. The FIAs have sold on Friday for almost 6,000 crores, whereas the DIAs have still supported the market and bought for almost 4,200 crores. We could see major sell-off happening in the banking sector. The banking sector was heavily damaged. We could see stocks like SBI, SDFC, all of them falling down, ICICI, Axis Bank, all of them. So, in fact, is this a matter of concern? So that is something that we need to know as an investor. As an investor, this is definitely not a matter of concern because, after all, the weightage of Adani stocks is very less in the Nifty 50 pack. Of course, it's a Nifty 50 company, but then is the company really into trouble? So that is not proven yet. This is just an accusation. So being an accusation, until things are proven, definitely market is kind of uncertain, and uncertainties are something which stock market doesn't like. So definitely there was some panic reaction, I would say, but does it mean Adani stocks are going to fall further? I don't think so, because of course there might be weakness for some more time, but then until things are proven to be on the negative side, there should not be a reason why the stocks should continue to fall always. No. So these are all just a knee-jerk reaction, I would say. And until something actually concrete comes up and says that Adani Group is actually in the positive side or the negative side, there is no direction for the stock yet. So if at all there is some more negative news on Adani stocks, then that might be more fall. But then one small good news is enough to take the entire Adani stock on a upper circuit. So don't be surprised if we see Adani stocks on upper circuit soon. But then, however, that needs a very, very, very important positive note on that. Of course, Adani Group has already given 400 plus pages of response to all the allegations made by Hindenburg. They are saying that they are not, they have ensured everything is in line with the requirements. But still, let us see how the market takes it. Now, the most important thing that we watched is the FPO, the follow-up offer which is issued from the Adani group, which is not yet subscribed fully. So and also the Adani group has actually come out with a statement that they are not going to reduce the prices. So when the market stock market already has priced the stock at around 2,800, issue price of FPO at 3,100, who would subscribe that? Now that's a big question. But if the company is able to pull it off, the FPO at that same price, then the confidence of the investors in the market is definitely going to continue on Adani Group. But if FPO fails, then there are chances the people can even dump stocks like this. So definitely this is all part of the stock market. So we definitely need to see how the company is able to handle the situation, because there has been multiple situations where manipulations happen in the stock market. So, you must be remembering the GameStop event in the US, where a lot of retailers together actually took institutional to the task and made a killing of money from there. So, such things also do happen. The manipulations do happen. But then, how is Adani Group going to manage such a situation is something that needs to be watched. This could be, of course, a learning lesson to a lot of people as well. So, I'm not saying that Adani Group is right or wrong, but then how corporate affairs are handling such a situation is something definitely important to watch and see. So, of course, a lot of talks about Adani, but now coming to this week, there are a lot of important results coming up. SBI and HDFC, so ITC, all these results are up due this week. So definitely there will be a keen watch on all these results. Apart from that, this week is going to be really hectic because of multiple events apart from Adani also. There is of course the union budget on 1st of Feb, and of course the Federal Reserve meeting which is kicking off from today. So these are things to be looking at. If you look at the Asian markets have been rallying. Chinese markets were closed for their vacation, and then it is reopened and it's also rallying upwards. But the only market which is kind of underperforming right now is Indian market. So it is only Indian market which is kind of waiting for some positive cues. It is a local negativity which is holding back the Indian stock market. But then if you see the lower side, I would say the way the market has been falling, 17,400 is a very, very important support, which I don't think can be broken this week. So however bad things go, if that is broken, that can be like really bearish. But then let's see, that is something which I'm expecting on the lower side. On the higher side, of course, right now 18,000 will continue to be the major resistance for now. Of course, 17,800 also will continue, 17,800, 900 will also continue to be resistance, but then major resistance would be 18,000 and lower side can be 17,400. So I'm expecting the market to kind of trade between 17,400 and 18,000, this week, this expiry. However, I'm not going in for any trades because of this kind of volatility. I would prefer to kind of stay away from the market at this point of time. So that is what we're expecting right now from the market. So let us see how the market actually opens, and how, of course, major focus would be on Adani Group, how they perform today, and if at all some good news comes in, and if at all something really positive comes in, there are chances of upper circuit. Do watch on that as well. So definitely the markets are going to be really tough for the traders for this week. So of course it's a time for us to chill and take some break out of the market for now, and of course discuss more about it in detail, seeing how the market performs today, tomorrow. So let us look forward to a great week ahead. A kind of cold week, I would say, because we are just spending time watching the market and seeing how things go. So that's it for today. Let us look forward to a great day ahead and a great week ahead. This is Srikant Rajan signing off. But before we leave, do remember to press the like button if you love the content that we share, and do share the podcast with your friends and relatives to help them learn and invest together with us. And if you're not a part of our community yet, do visit the link, WhatsApp group link given in the description below, and you can join the group. And if you want to be a part of our community where you can interact as well, there you can just connect with our team members on this WhatsApp number mentioned here, and our member will help you. So that's it. Looking forward to a great week ahead. Goodbye. Have a great day.